Animals coming back at you. Got these Nike Roshes preschool. Kind of like a bluish purple and the fly knit material and pink. Got a custom that I'm going to do to them. Right here in the back, as you can see, is the most free space. So pretty much what I'm going to do is add a name to the back and a little design. Something sweet and simple. So again, I'll be back with the finished product. Bam, finished product. Back with the Nike Roshes, kid size, as you can see. Pink. Put Sophia on the back of them with hearts and pink to match the pink that's on the shoes. Something sweet and simple, and as always, it's the thought that counts. But this always takes longer than expected. But all in all, I'm satisfied with it. I'm sure the customer will be too. Again, custom Roshes. Something simple. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think.